Okay, here we go. Again, Klaxi in hand, that's really great, because I can cycle her and get her back onto Nate. I just love getting Klaxi in hand. Okay, Denis starts with some spare dragonlings. Should be no problem. Now, I don't really want to play Garvis here. I want to control whether I blow them up or not. Actually, the music might be too loud, so let me... There. The problem is, I don't really know how the music and my voice scale up in recordings. So for now, this is basically all just trial and error for me. Just a nice combo here to clear up the front line, take away some pressure from myself. Now let me see Denis' deck. I didn't actually get around to doing this. Okay, so Denis is playing some Ironclad midrange with Siege Assembly. I should be mindful of that. Hot Guards aren't really good here. I really would like some cheap scout to just get to these scrap planners, but alas. Now Feral Shamans are 7 strength, if they can... If they can successfully trigger. Now, can he kill them? I don't think so, because Harpies are blocking here. Okay. Now, oh, my Sun 7 is a disaster, isn't it? I don't really have any good speed drops, because I just played them all. I've already played my Harpies, I've already played my my Deceivers. Now, I haven't seen Lawless Herd anywhere, so probably that's my out. I'm gonna be cycling Execution for Lawless Herd. But oh my god, that is so bad. Klaxi will be my only out here soon. Okay, so Lawless Herd is here. That's pretty good. I just block both. I need to keep him from pushing further into my base here, because I don't really get to tempo him out anytime soon. Now, if I can push him back this soon, then I can probably Klaxi in the next one. I highly doubt I can Klaxi this soon, actually. Actually, there is a chance of Klaxing this soon, but he would need to play really bad here. And I don't believe Denis would do this. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's great. He just ended his turn. Now, Slyboots and Lich Summoners are kind of a good combo here. I don't really want Wetland here. I want to separate him from Klaxi, so I will cycle him first. Okay, Slyboots, Lich Summoners. Juby's personal Harpies can actually help me set up a great Klaxi next turn. But we will see what Denis plays here. Yeah, he sure is taking his time. I mean, that's gotta be a hard turn to play, right? You have no front line. Okay, so how do I play this? I can clear this up, but this will actually leave me very vulnerable. Not vulnerable, this will leave me without any 1 strength units on board. or I can personal servers like Harpies, Dubious, just set up a lot of 1 strengths on the board. Now, what does he have that will pressure my base? He doesn't really have it, does he? He has Arm Schemers, Siege Assembly, Scrap Planners are his biggest units to pressure my base actually. So yeah, that's not dangerous. Harpies first, then Hags, then personal servers, because I don't want them to buff here. Okay, I'm still unlucky. That's bad. My collection is just not coming together. Okay. This seems like a decent Klaxi. Like 17 strength. So what's the alternatives? The alternative is playing those 3. That's 7. Plus like clear here. Plus flawless here. I don't like this. I like Klaxi here. So Klaxi will probably need to go to this tile. So I just block his front line. Then with 1 unit here, flawless should probably go here. Okay, let's go. I won't be cycling battle here, because once again I want to separate them from Klaxi in the deck. But on the other hand, next in is mana 11, I kind of want to have Feral Shamans. So I'm probably not cycling anything this turn. Okay, that's good. Feral Shamans plus Fluffy Bed Boxes should be a lot of value. Okay, Shamans should be very good here. Oh, he has his own wetlands. I didn't know that. Do I play Fluffy first or Shamans first? That's actually a good question. I think in the position I currently am, I will be winning in a couple of turns. I want Fluffy more, because Fluffy can actually pressure the base, while Shamans are really good when they are traded. And now I cycle wetlands. Now, as you can see, I'm not putting very much pressure on the base here. That's because I know that long game, I'm winning here. I have this unit, this 5 strength that will come in, that will help me. So I basically have nowhere to hurry here. Like, it's his problem to deal with this. It's his responsibility to actually push the front line. I can just sit back, I can just control the board, I can just feel good. Okay, so this is actually pretty dangerous. We'll see what I can do. I don't like execution leech summoners here. I don't like leech summoners here at all. I don't think I can play them. This is also sad. No, actually, you know, I can do this. I have Klaxi next turn. I'll just do this. Do this, set up a big Klaxi play. Oh, I don't have Klaxi. That's scary. I will probably need to top deck it. Okay, Twilight is coming in. Now Zubi is a great hand versus Twilight because this leaves 2 1-strength minions on board. Now, can I get a Galaxy? Do I actually cycle personal? Or is there a way I can play them without actually? Yeah, personal are kinda good because they leave copies as a threat to the siege assembly. Yeah, I like them. I'll cycle hot gods. Okay, Klax is here, that's really good. Now make this threat. And let's go. There we go, great plays. And the game should be over here. Denis doesn't have any floodgates. He just played his Twilight Prowlers. He can have Veloth, he can have Arm Skimmers, but that doesn't actually help him here. Well, that does, but not too much. The game should be over now. Oh, and Denis couldn't play out his turn. Okay, let me see if something has happened in Discord. Oh, okay, so Denis froze, but he then saw my Klaxi and just decided it's not worth leaving. Okay.